A male McGregor's bowerbird. He has built this tower with hundreds of sticks, and he maintains it year after year. It has one purpose and one purpose only: to impress females. It requires constant maintenance. With maintenance done for the day, it's time to renew the decorations. A female assesses his construction. And now he sings to her. She seems to be listening attentively. Now they begin to dance around their maypole. He's careful not to completely reveal himself. Excitement mounts. And now he goes for it. Was it too soon? She's back. Still interested. Their union is brief. She will now return to her nest, lay her eggs, and raise her young.